Today, I'm going to show you one of the simplest and easiest motovlogging rigs you'll ever have to deal with in your life for this helmet. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the Garage Riders. Today we're going to be continuing the mods on the helmet. You guys probably remember my last video. We were doing the GoPro, customized GoPro mount for the RF1200 to contour to the chin shape. Well, we got that done. So today I'm going to show you what I'm going to be putting on it. What I'm going to be putting on it is arguably one of the easiest motovlogging setups I've ever had to deal with. No more getting this adapter and splicing these two cords together and all that other bullshit that we used to have to deal with. Since the Hero 8 came out, and I actually shot my last video on it, I'm actually recording on the Hero 7 today because I need to show you the Hero 8. What I got for the Hero 8 was the media mod. So you could kind of see this box around my Hero 8, and if I open it up, there's the Hero 8 and it's this nice little shell that goes around it. Well, the media mod comes with some really cool features. Number one, it comes with a really decent shotgun mic, which is a hell of a lot better than the standard audio that's just captured by the internal condenser mic that the GoPros come with. This thing has more of a shotgun mic, and it also has one on the side and one on the back, so it really gets some ambient sounds, and you can actually select if you want all of them or if you want one of them. It's pretty cool. But I'm not here to do a tutorial on the GoPro Hero 8. What I'm here to tell you about is how this, with the media mod, is going to make your motovlogging setup super easy. And the main reason for that is, if we look on the back of the media mod, we see that little tiny 3.5mm jack hole. Yes, that is for a 3.5mm audio input. So a lavalier mic, or they even make some shotgun mics. Rode makes some with a 3.5mm connector on it. It makes things so much freaking easier. There's also a USB-C port on here. So if you want continuous battery life, you can plug in a battery and mount that to your helmet as well. I'm not going to get into that today. But what we are going to get into is I'm going to show you how I got this purple Panda lavalier microphone. It's actually about 30 bucks on Amazon. We're gonna use this along with this setup on the front of the helmet to show you just how easy it is to get really amazing clear audio in the simplest way using a GoPro Hero 8 and the GoPro Media Mod. So let's dig into it. Okay, so let's go over what we're gonna need. Number one, you're going to need a GoPro Hero 8. These just came out. They're amazing. As I mentioned, you can trade in an older model, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and get $100 credit towards a Hero 8. Brings it down to, I believe, about $299. So definitely worth it. Get one of these. The next thing you're going to need is the media mod case. And this is the case right here. It's got some great features. It's got a cold shoe on the side, top on the side for accessories, and then it's got a mini or micro HDMI, USB-C, and then of course the valuable 3.5mm audio input jack. Really good stuff. Simple to put together. You open up the door, you slide in your Hero 8, make it snug, close the door, you're done. So next thing we're going to need is we're going to need the purple Panda lavalier mic. Again, Amazon, super cheap, 30 bucks. It's a damn good mic. I didn't know what to expect. I read the reviews. The reviews were pretty awesome from some of the people that bought it, especially some of the motovloggers that said it was decent. For $30, what the hell? Can't go wrong. So what does it come with? It comes with a bunch of shit, an extension cable and There's some weird USB connector audio thing in there, and it comes some clips so you can clip it onto your shirt, but we don't care about that because what we're going to be doing is mounting this inside the chin piece of my helmet. It also comes with a dead cat, which is the big fuzzy thing. I like what they do in terms of reducing wind noise, but the thing I hate, especially when they're in the chin piece, is that fuzziness starts to get in your mouth or tickle your chin, and it's really irritating. So we're just going to try the spongy wind screen on it for now. Now, one thing to note is that this is a TRRS 3.5 millimeter connector. Tip, ring, I don't know what the S stands for. You'll notice though, it has 3 black stripes on it, or if it has 4 metal sections. The thing that the Media Mod won't do, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. The Media Mod won't work with this type. The Media Mod only works with one that has 2 black stripes on it, or 1, 2, 3 metal sections. This is a TRS. So you're going to need one of these, and thankfully Purple Panda provides one. And all you have to do is plug the 2 of them together, and now you've got something that will actually work in the Hero 8 Media Mod and provide audio. And then of course the cable and the mic and all that stuff. The other thing that you're going to need is something to mount it on. So my Cardo came with this little guy, and it's just a little bent piece of plastic, and it has Velcro on the back of it. So I'm going to be using this to secure this in place like so. And then this will just stick to the Velcro pads that I have in my chin. I don't know if we've got enough light in there, but I have some Velcro right here. So it'll be right next to actually my Cardo mic. We'll be sticking it right there. So let's start doing some assembly. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to mount the microphone to the Velcro. I'm using a flashlight so you guys can see, but I have some some loop Velcro here. And here I have the actual microphone. So like I said, I want it right next to my Cardo mic. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right there. So that's pretty straightforward. It does move a little bit. But, you know, really, we're going to need to take all of this cable now, and we're going to tuck it into this cheek pad over here. So I'll go ahead and start doing that, and we'll just kind of fast forward until we get to the finished product. Okay, so that was pretty simple. I essentially just unsnapped it, and then basically what we have is we have it hanging out here. So now all we really need to do is connect the Hero 8, and that's super easy to do. You just simply grab this. Oh, and by the way, the Media Mod comes with this really long, sorry, I took the wrong one out. This comes with this really long screw, which you're gonna need, whoops, because the Media Mod case is really long, and you can see it kind of has this indentation here. That is so this can sit here and you can still turn it. Now the other cool thing about the Hero 8, I don't know if it's cool, but it's unique, is that the mounting feet are actually a part of the camera now. So you don't need to stick it into a case. It is waterproof. So really all you need to do is just pull the feet down, put the long post in, screw it down, and you've got your Media Mod attached. Now all we need to do is route the cable, and I'm gonna actually route the cable underneath the emergency cheek release tab, or whatever you wanna call it. And then I'm going to come around here and basically kind of route the slack up and through here. And lo and behold, plugs right into the back. So I could probably clean this up, do a little bit better cable routing, cable management, but that's it. Yeah. Did you think this was going to be a really long, complicated video? No, it wasn't. This is really easy and really straightforward. So let's go ahead and test it out and see how it sounds.
All right, guys. Well, this is it. So I'm walking around my helmet, and you can see I'm also holding my Hero 7 just to get a different perspective. But the audio is solely from the Purple Panda lavalier microphone in my helmet. So as you can see, it sounds pretty clear. If you're wondering what it's going to sound like with bike noise underneath it, let's go and give it a little bit of a test. Get this guy back in neutral, and here we go. Alright, so there's the bike running idle right now. It's warming up, so it's usually a little bit louder. This is with the shield open. So let me close the shield, and I'll talk through like this, and I think you can probably still hear me. Yeah, I think it's really good. The audio quality is great, from what I can tell in some of my initial tests of the mic with the bike noise. The real test is going to be taking this thing out on the road. So I got a great idea. Why don't we go and do that? So, this is what's really epic about riding in Arizona, is you get to ride around all this shit. It's pretty freaking cool. I just had to stop and pull over. Anyway, this is a pretty cool gig. The setup, gig. The setup, this Hero 8 and this Purple Panda. Really liking it. Yeah, so let's get back to some riding here. So yeah, you know, I would say if you're looking for a really easy motovlogging setup, this Hero 8, Hero Media Mod, and the Purple Panda microphone, which is 29 bucks. I will put links in the description to all of it. Also, if you've got an older GoPro Hero, like a 4 or 5 or shit, even a Hero 1, you know, you could trade it in. What's up, fellas? You could trade it in and get 100 bucks. So you end up paying basically like 300 bucks for the Hero 8. The Hero 8 is a freaking amazing camera. I don't have many complaints about it, although I didn't intend for this to be necessarily a Hero 8 review. It's from a picture quality perspective, and you know, it does 4K at 60 frames per second, which is for motovlogging and riding is amazing, because you don't get any sort of choppiness whatsoever. Excuse me. Ooh, road construction, lovely. Yeah, it's a really good deal. My only complaint is that what they did is they put the integrated, I don't know, the little connector things that you mount it to stands and all sorts of stuff like that, and the bases. While they're really solid, the thing that annoys the hell out of me is, like, every time I want to like change the battery on my GoPro, if it's attached to my helmet, I actually have to unscrew it from the mount, and then that's kind of a pain in the butt. It would be really nice if I could just take it out of a case. So that's, I don't know, GoPro, you didn't really get it right. So I'll catch you all later. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.
So the one really great thing about this media mod is that it comes with a 3.5mm audio input jack. For the first time ever, you don't have to buy that piece of shit. God damn it.